So, Windows Focus Assist won't turn off? Let's fix that stubborn feature for good.
Ever find yourself stuck with Focus Assist on and you just can't turn it off in settings?
You go into settings and the option is grayed out, or it just flips right back on. But hey, there's a permanent fix. We just need the group policy editor. You will need admin rights though. Okay, first step, open the run prompt. Just press the Windows key and R at the same time. Now type in gpedit.msc and hit enter. That'll open the right editor for us. Once you're in the editor, we have to dig a little to find the notifications folder. And here's the exact path you need to follow to get there. Just follow it down. All right, in that notifications folder, find turn off quiet hours and give it a double click. Now, to really force it off, you're gonna choose the disabled option and hit apply. But, and this is super important, disabling this policy actually locks you out from changing it later. Yeah, the policy description says it right there. It totally takes away your control over these settings. So what if you want that control back? Simple. You just have to reset the policy. And here's how. Just set that policy back to not configured and apply. That does the trick.
And just like that, you've got full control again right from your normal Windows settings. So you might be thinking, isn't this basically just do not disturb on my phone? And you'd be right. It's pretty much Windows' version of that same idea. Helps you control distractions. But why does this problem even happen in the first place? Well, it all goes back to that policy. If that turn off quiet hours policy gets set to anything but not configured, it can cause issues.